This video is in partnership with Steady. Enjoy DIY life. What's up, fellow builders? Today, join me unbox, build and review one of the newest kit in town, GaoGao's 1:144 Immortal Justice Fighter. This is a bootleg copy of Immortal Justice Gundam, first shown in the movie Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Freedom. Let's go! verdict time. Let's start with the head. For me, the sculpt is just okay. Nothing really special. Stickers are crap. Colors are great, and the plastic quality is so GaoGao like. If you'll ask me, this kit is okay, especially if you want to partner it with the Rising Freedom. But I'm really hoping JMS or other companies will make a copy of this. And with that said, this kit will get a score of. Subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down the kits that you want me to review on my next video. Once again, my name is Gundamdek, and thank you for watching.